Video camera on us, okay?
Okay.
Keep it on Triston's mouth. We're gonna attempt to pull his tooth with a pair of pliers. Keep it on his tooth.
It's on his face.
Hold on, buddy. Okay. I got it. It's okay. Don't hold my hand. I won't get anything but your tooth, okay? You gotta tighten it up a little bit.
No.
Okay, it's okay. It won't hurt your tooth. Open your mouth, please, and tilt your head back a little bit. There we go, just like that. There you go. Does that hurt?
No.
Okay. It's like impossible to get a hold of.
It's too hard.
Okay.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Didn't get it. Let's go this way. Here we go. I got it. I got it. Open your mouth, please. That hurt? It's almost coming out.
It's almost coming out, too. If you want to see the tooth fairy, Dad has to pull it out. Be brave, T.
Here we go. Ready?
Set.
You got the camera on us? Almost. So close.
Don't wiggle, T. I'm on you.
Oh, there it is. Did you get it on camera? You got it on camera? Are you looking at it? There's Triston's tooth. Let me see, buddy. Oh, your mouth is bleeding.
A lot.
Let me see. Let me
Can I
see.
see it?
Let's see all your mouth blood. All right.
Can I see? Can I see the tooth?
You're looking at him.